Hello, and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn to separate name of the day from the date data by using DAX function. I will add a new column of day name next to the data column. To do that, I will click on New Column icon. This will open the bar to write DAX function. Now I will type my DAX formula. Weekday name equals 2. Format, select table date column, and type DDDD. We have now added a new column with just name of the day.
If you want to learn to create an awesome-looking dashboard like this in less than 20 minutes, then click on the link above or click on the end screen video. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and get regular updates.